Hey everyone, you've got Sean and Corey here from the Secure Chat podcast, and continuing in the spirit of National Cybersecurity Awareness Month, this week we'll be talking about social media overshares. Sean, you want to give a brief high level what that is?
Yeah, what we're talking about here is not necessarily posting 15 times a day to Facebook or Twitter. What we're talking about is making sure that you're not posting that you're going to be on vacation from Monday to next Monday, that you're not posting pictures of you on the beach as you're actually on the beach. The reason why this is dangerous is because not only does it open you up to maybe some type of small-time criminal who knows your house is empty, but on top of that, you can expose yourself to potential phishing emails or targeted threats where a hacker can look at your profile and know, okay, if this person's on vacation, I can maybe send a halfway believable email to someone in their department. When you're using social media, make sure you're putting stuff on private so that way only the people you want to see your statuses see them.
Awesome. And if this is something you have more questions about, please join us between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. this Tuesday where we'll discuss the topic more.